I recently invested $363.10 to start my very own dropshipping business from home at the age of 17 years old using nothing but the laptop you guys see right here. Just to break down exactly how I started this business, the first thing I ended up doing was purchasing an online course on how to start a dropshipping business, and that course cost me a fat $294. My reasoning for buying this course is I am a complete beginner when it comes to dropshipping who has never made a single sale before on Shopify. The course that I bought taught me that in order to get started dropshipping, you need to do 3 things. Number 1, you need to pick a product that you are going to sell. Number 2, you need to set up a website that actually can convert into sales. And number 3, you need to create a company page on Instagram that has some followers on it. I ended up doing all of these things and launching the website known as Raincoats for Dogs. In case you guys are curious, the website for the brand is www.raincoatsfordogs.com and the Instagram handle is @raincoatsfordogs. Now that our Shopify dropshipping business is all set up, it is time to secure the bag and see how much money I can make in just 1 week Shopify dropshipping. Alright guys, it is now day 1 of the Shopify dropshipping journey and it is time to start running ads for the biz. To be honest, just yesterday when I recorded the intro to this episode, I had no idea how to run ads for dropshipping. But in preparation for day number 1 of this journey, I learned a thing or two about Facebook and Instagram theme page advertising, and I'm feeling pretty confident. The Facebook ad strategy that I'm going to go with for the testing phase of this video is I'm going to have 4 ads running at $10 per day. 2 of those ads are going to be feed ads with different detailed targeting, and 2 of those ads are going to be story ads with different detailed targeting. And then whichever ad works the best and converts the most to sales is the ad I'm going to go with and up the ad spend on. And then for the ads that don't perform well, I'm going to cut them out and stop spending money. My Instagram theme page strategy is going to be pretty low budget as I'm going to focus quite a bit less on it. I spoke with Biaheza and he told me that Facebook ads is definitely the move for my kind of product. So I'm not going to be focusing too much on promoting my product via Instagram theme pages. I'm going to be focusing more on the Facebook advertising strategy. Now that I've figured out my advertising strategy for the dropshipping business, it is time to create some ads to test out. This is definitely going to take me a while, but I've got some editing skills from editing over 160 of my own YouTube videos. Alright guys, it has been about an hour and I have finally completed both the feed ad and the story ad for my dropshipping product. The feed ad looks a little something like this. And the story ad looks a little something like this. They aren't perfect, I know, but keep in mind I am a complete beginner who has never made a single sale yet with Shopify. So guys, believe me, I am trying my best. I'm going to go ahead and start 4 ad sets at $10 every single day. So this whole advertising process on Facebook is going to cost me 40 bones every single day, which, believe it or not, is still a lot of money for your boy, Will. But anyways, guys, I think we've done pretty well today as the biz is officially up and running and ready to make the dough after the ads on Facebook get approved, which I don't think should be an issue because I've never had problems getting ads approved in the past. But I'll keep you guys updated with how everything goes. Today is Sunday, and that's usually the day I get a ton of editing done for the YouTube channel, so it'll be interesting to see if we make some money from Shopify while I'm on that YouTube grind. So I'll let you guys know how everything goes throughout the day, and I'll keep you posted. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour since I've updated you guys on anything, and my Facebook ads are still in review. They're definitely taking longer than normal, but something really awesome just happened. I ended up getting a sale for one of my dog raincoats without having any ads running for the product. If I were to guess, the source of the sale was probably from my Instagram traffic. I've been posting a lot on my company Instagram page about the dog raincoats, and I think one of the people who follow the page probably converted into a sale, which is super exciting. That marks the first ever sale I've gotten Shopify Dropshipping, and hopefully there will be many to come. Hello everybody, and welcome to day number 2 of the Shopify dropshipping grind. This morning I woke up to see all 4 of my dropshipping ads approved, which is just super exciting. And what was even more exciting is that one of those dropshipping ads converted into a pretty major sale as a customer bought 2 dog raincoats for a price of $25.98. Guys, I just got home from school and I haven't gotten any orders yet today, but the Facebook ads are now live, and I'm addicted to looking at the real-time page views per minute because, as you guys can see, it just shows as customers are active on your store. And it's also showing me that one person has an active cart, so let's pray that they check out and order something. That would be absolutely amazing. Guys, it's been another minute and that person is checking out. Let's hope that they just purchased the product. That would be amazing if we got a sale today. I'm just so hyped to get this business off the ground. That sale now marks 3 total sales with the Shopify dropshipping business, so I'd say I'm doing pretty well for a beginner. There's definitely still some things I want to improve with the business, and that includes where I am directing the traffic from my Facebook ads. I was sending potential customers to the homepage of my website, and I now want to instead send them to the product page of my website. And the reason for this is because I want to make it as easy as possible for potential customers to buy my item, and by them being sent directly to the product page of my website gives them less steps to actually go out and buy my product. Now that we have that out of the way, it is time to start setting up some deals on Instagram via influencer marketing. I'm going to go ahead and reach out to Instagram pages in the dog niche and ask for their analytics. If the analytics show that they're getting decent organic traffic and the price they give me for a promotion is right, I will 100% go for the influencer marketing deal. With that all being said, guys, I will keep you updated if anything interesting happens. Hello everybody, and welcome to day number 3 of the Shopify dropshipping experiment. And I have to say, today has been another decent day. I ended up getting another 2 sales on the Shopify site, bringing our total up for this experiment to $65.61. I currently have 1 story ad and 1 feed ad that have converted into 2 sales on Shopify each. These ads are actually profitable and are making me money. The other 3 ads I have running on my Facebook Ads Manager are not profitable. So what I'm going to do is actually cross them out and stop running these ads. With the 2 remaining ads I have left, I'm going to keep them steady at a $10 per day budget, and if they keep being profitable, I'm going to up their budget to $15 per day, and then eventually up to like $50 per day. On top of this, I am going to create 2 new ads with different detail targeting to continue the testing aspect of this process. Another exciting thing that I have coming up with the dropshipping biz is 2 Instagram influencer promotions. As you guys know, yesterday I reached out to a ton of Instagram influencers in the dog niche and asked what their shout out rates are. I ended up closing 2 Instagram influencer deals for tomorrow around noon. One of them is on an Instagram page with just about 60,000 followers, and they charged me $25 for an Instagram feed post, an Instagram story post, and a link in bio. Another Instagram influencer deal I ended up closing was for only $11 for a page with 50,000 followers, and the deal includes an Instagram feed post and a link in bio. I am super excited to see what happens with these Instagram theme page deals going through tomorrow. If we can get a $50 day tomorrow, that would be absolutely amazing. I will keep you guys updated on my progress, and with that all being said, I will update you soon. Yo guys, what is up? It is currently 2 p.m. I just got finished with school, and today should be a pretty big day with the Shopify dropshipping business. I have 2 influencer marketing deals going through, and I also have 4 Facebook ads running at $10 per day. Unfortunately, today we have not gotten any sales so far, which totally sucks, and the influencer campaigns have already been running for a couple of hours, so I hope things work out and some sales come through. But hey, we never know, especially with the Shopify dropshipping business. I will keep you guys updated on what happens today, because if we don't get any sales, I might have to rethink the advertising strategy once again. It's been a couple hours, and I am happy to say we finally got a sale on the Shopify dropshipping store. I was about to flip out if we didn't end up getting any sales today, because today was supposed to be my big day. But hey guys, I can't be getting discouraged already, since I am still super new to Shopify dropshipping, and we have plenty of days left in this experiment to make that paper. It's another day, and you know what that means. It's also another dollar. The sale started out pretty early today with the Shopify dropshipping business, as we got an order at 3:24 a.m. from Hong Kong. So you guys already know I was making that Shopify money while I slept. And guys, I also have some bad news, and that is that the 2 Facebook ads I had running a couple days ago that were profitable are now losing money. So that basically means that we're back to square one with the Facebook advertising part of this business. So it's time to make a super bold decision. I feel that the issue with my advertising strategy is not with my detailed targeting, as I feel like I am targeting the right demographic. I feel like the issue comes in when you look at the actual ad I am running. I don't find it too convincing. So I'm going to make a super bold decision and switch from a video format ad to just a single image ad that looks a little bit like this. I know it looks super basic, but trust me guys, I feel like this might work a lot better than you guys think. The product I'm trying to sell is super self-explanatory, and people will know what it is just by looking at it. With that all being said, I'm going to set up 5 $10 per day Facebook ads with the same ad image and different detailed targeting. Let's hope this works. Hey guys, it is currently 9:24 p.m. and just a little bit of an update. All 5 ads are currently active on Facebook, and we have gotten 1 sale from the Facebook ads already. And as you guys can see, that cost per purchase is looking super good, $1.63. And that brings the total for the Shopify store so far to a fat $104.58. Hey, we all gotta start somewhere, and I'm pretty proud to say that we are already at 3 figures Shopify dropshipping in 1 week. Welcome to day 6 of Shopify dropshipping, and you already know we have gotten some sales today. It's a pretty awesome feeling to be getting some money coming in and to have 3 of the 5 ad sets we set up yesterday already profitable. So it seems like the risk we took yesterday paid off. Hopefully we can get some more sales to come in tonight. Today is a Friday, and Friday night is for the boys, so it will be awesome to see if we can make some money while hanging out with the homies. Over the next few hours, literally all I did was just have some fun, because what the heck, it was a Friday. I ended up going to get something to eat with my friends, and then we went to a high school basketball game where I did not sell candy, because you guys know I already got in trouble enough for doing that. During this time, I did not make any sales on Shopify, but my Facebook ads were definitely bringing in some traffic to my website. After the basketball game, I ended up inviting some friends over to my house, and we had a little party, and during this time, I ended up getting one Shopify sale for $12.99. Over the last 7 days, I have made $156.54 Shopify dropshipping, all profit, no expenses. This business actually has a 100% profit margin. In fact, I have made so much money Shopify dropshipping this week that I am going to buy myself a brand new Lamborghini just to celebrate because I can afford it now. Anyways, guys, although we did not exactly profit throughout this 7-day dropshipping challenge, I did learn a lot of very important things about running Facebook ads and also about e-commerce in general. I am actually at a point now with the dropshipping business where 3 of the 5 Facebook ads I am running are profitable. So literally with the click of 2 buttons, the business is going to be making money. With that all being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give it a like if you made it to the end, and peace out.